The lookbook and the runway show is a celebration of what the students have achieved. I'm Claire Barker-Phillips. I'm the course leader for the fashion design course. The lookbook is kind of the students' calling cards. If they were going for an interview, they would probably show the lookbook first, and then they'd follow that up with their portfolio. The students are involved in how they want the show to be, and they'll be inviting people from industry that they want to invite.
So my name is Katie Waller. I do fashion design and I'm a third year. I'm doing a mainly all knitwear collection. With this collection I was interested in elegant pieces, so a lot of my patterns are not different colours but more textured. So for me the textures are the most important thing. So on my dress they're like leaf shapes. So yeah, when we collaborate with fashion photography students, sometimes I help, sometimes I let them take it and do what they want with it. It's my vision, but I always love to see what their vision is.
I'm Joshua Cowett. I've spent a few weeks styling in the fit of this garment, and this is a toile. Next thing will be to make it the final garment in tweed boucle. It's going to be seen in the lookbook show and the fashion show. It's also going to go in my portfolio. So in the final year show, some of my colleagues from Adidas and the practice where I worked before are going to come and see it. I did a 6-month internship at Adidas in Germany. That's created a place for me to go back to in a higher position. So I'm really excited for the industry to come and see it and give their opinion.
My name's Grace Stevenson and I'm in my third year studying fashion design at Falmouth University. I want to explore how garments can reconnect us with nature and connect us with place. So kind of drawn from my upbringing and my roots in Cornwall. For this collection, I'm looking at how different garments can connect us to different cycles and seasons and how that can reroute us in nature and in sustainability. A big part of my design process at the minute is that I'm trying to make it so they're wearable for women of no age, essentially, which is quite tricky, but it's really nice.
My name is Lucia Travathos, and I'm a third year fashion design student at Falmouth University. The garment I'm creating for my end of year show is a bodice piece with a boning underneath and a flowy skirt. It's all based on the idea of the sea and the idea of illusion and what lies underneath our clothing. My final collection will be showcased in the end of year graduate fashion show, and the lookbook images will be shown in my portfolio. I'm collaborating with a second year fashion photography student named Josh, who will create my lookbook images, and then with another photographer for my end of year shoot. The best thing about this course is all the machinery and all the equipment we can use, and also all the gathered knowledge the tutors have. I think it's really set me on the career path that I'd like, and really helped me and aided me in becoming a better designer.